What it do, Word Gang? We in the building today. Shout out to the Word Gang. But today, man, we gonna talk about, as you know, my Jeep. What we gonna talk about, let's get back here. Let me let y'all get the full logistics of the Jeep though. Yeah, that thing look good, don't it? Colosso, big boy Jeep Wrangler, SAHARA Unlimited, Jeep JL for those who wanna know. But today we're gonna talk about my 1 year of owning the AFE Power Exhaust. It's from AFE Power. It's an axle back exhaust for a Jeep JL, which is the model I have, a Jeep JL, which is the latest model. And I've owned this for 1 complete year. And I'm gonna tell you the likes about it and the things I don't like about it. Well, first off, you know, I like the way it looks, you know. I mean, it sits great. I mean, dual exhaust, you get the dual exhaust your Jeep, because as you know, when I got this Jeep, the 392 Jeep was not available, and Jeeps do not come with dual exhaust. And I think all cars should have dual exhaust. I'm sorry, some people may not believe that, but I think all cars should have dual exhaust. Even my Magnum, as you can see, it has dual exhaust. I gotta redo that exhaust. I let my nephew do it. Trash, garbage. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, but yeah, we gonna definitely get that Magnum exhaust fixed. All my cars got dual exhaust, as you know, but this did not. This Jeep JL, which is a Jeep Wrangler SAHARA Unlimited, it did not come with dual exhaust. Neither does the Rubicons or any other model that comes in the Jeep. Only model that I know for sure that comes with dual exhaust is the Jeep Wrangler, not the Jeep Rubicon 392. It comes with dual exhaust, active exhaust too, so you can change the modes, quiet, and you can even do quiet or loud mode. I did a review. It's a review. I did a review on it. If you go back through browse through my content, you will see what I'm saying. Great Jeep. Check that review out. It's a great review. Check that out, because that is the 392 Jeep is the best Jeep out that you can get stock from the factory. It's the best Jeep, period. Better than Broncos, the Bronco Raptor. As you could, it's a couple of videos about the Bronco Raptor and the 392. They raced the Bronco, got smoked. Ain't nothing wrong with the Bronco Raptor though. I'm not gonna say in front like it's terrible. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just if you want to get a fast Jeep type of vehicle, you might as well go with the 392, or you can buy a Hellcat. They sell those. My buddy Matt sells those at LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. I'll leave a link to his stuff down there. Magnus Performance. They'll also do your Jeep. If you got a Jeep, they'll also put a Hellcat motor in there if you want to do it, but it's gonna cost you some money. But let's talk about this axle back, like I was saying, which is this is an AFE. Like I said, I bought it about a year ago, maybe longer than a year ago. But my main thing is I like the look of it, and I like the color of it. But as you can see, over the year it's done. It's kind of faded. This right here was all black. This is all black, and it's done faded a little bit. And it even look like we getting a little rust on there. So I'm probably gonna have to go under there, sand that a little bit. I'm gonna have to end up sanding that, and then I'm gonna have to probably spray paint it and get it back black again. So I'm definitely not happy about that. In a year, that should not be looking like that. You know, I don't think it should. I mean, it's still a good exhaust. I mean, when you really think about it, maybe it should look like that, because I stay in Indiana and it snows a lot. So 3 months out of the year for sure you're gonna get heavy snow. So I can't be mad at it. It's doing good. I take that back, considering the fact. Also, these little clips, I'm gonna end up having to take these off. They rusting. If you can see, if I get in close, you can see they're rusting. You know what I mean? Don't like that. I wish I could find a clip that didn't rust like that, because these are the clips that came with the Jeep, the dual exhaust, because these tips are removable. These tips right here, these tips right here are removable. And I wish that I could have found something like that didn't rust so easy. These bad boys rusted, so I probably can get over there. I'm gonna sand these and probably paint them black. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up sanding these and painting them black. Well, I'm glad I did that video, so now I'm gonna go ahead and paint those black, because this color ain't sitting right with me anyway. But yeah, these are removable tips, which are 4-inch tips. Let me get over here so y'all can see a little bit better. These are 4-inch tips that come with they come with in the packaging with the axle back AFE Power Axle back. These come with it. They're 4-inch. Put my whole hand in here, still got room, as you can see. 4-inch. Hello down there. But yeah, love these. Only thing I don't like about these, it came with a, as you can see, this is like a shiny grayish color, and it had like a little flakes in it. I knew it was gonna fade when I got it. I knew it was gonna end up fading a little bit. It faded, but it didn't fade as bad as I thought it was gonna fade, but I wish it didn't fade at all. This chrome piece right here though, it stays shiny, as you can see. It didn't get rusted or nothing. My bad. It didn't rust or nothing, so definitely not mad about that. All in all, the exhaust is, if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I'd give it an 8, because it was definitely easy to install. Easy to install, and it's easy to take off if you want to take it off and switch it out, or just take it off and repaint it and get it back to the color you want it. So I definitely can't complain about it. Just a little rust parts that I complain about. As you can see, some more rust right there. As you can see, it's a little bit more, and that's just on the clip though. Like I said, we can sand that off and get that off. And like I said, you see that didn't fade at all. So the AFE, that didn't fade. I definitely would recommend this if you was going to get it, because this is the best one you can get on the market. Because to be honest, with all the other axle backs I saw dual exhaust, the tips was too little, man. They was like little bitty tips, like about this big. Like you could put the tips inside of this and still have a lot of space. And I ain't want no tips like that. I want some big old tips so you can see them. I don't like those little tips. They trash. And you can pop these off. You can even go to carbon exhaust. You can pop these off and go to carbon exhaust and get some 5-inch tips and put them on here. And that'll look even crazier, because these are 4-inch tips. You get some 5-inch tips from carbon exhaust. I'll leave a link today. I'll leave a link for them too in the description. But I definitely leave a link to this in the description. This AFE Power Axle back. I definitely leave a link in the description if you want to purchase that, because I would definitely recommend that if you got any kind of Jeep other than a 392, because the 392 already comes with a dual exhaust, and it's active, and I don't think you want to switch that out on that Jeep. I think you probably want to keep that factory. But all the other Jeeps, you definitely need to go dual exhaust. I'm gonna go start it up for y'all so y'all can hear it. It took a while for this AFE to start. I say it took about 2 months before it really kick in like it's supposed to, so you can hear it. I mean, it's only a V6, so you can't really say it, but y'all be the judge of it. So it's got a little rumble, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? I mean, it's only a V6, but as you can see, it's got a little rumble to it. And that's all I need, is a little rumble. I don't need no lot of rumble. I mean, it's not a fast Jeep, so we ain't trying to front like we fast. We just wanted to dual exhaust it so it can go with the rest of the setup, as you can see. And the setup is immaculate. But yeah, I just wanted to touch bases with y'all and let y'all know about my year ownership of the AFE axle back exhaust for a Jeep JL. This also comes for Jeep JKs, and I'm pretty sure it comes for all setups, but I know for sure if you got a JK Jeep, these definitely, that axle back definitely comes for those Jeeps. So if you got a JK, you can still order the same thing. It looks exactly like that. It just fits on the JK. And as you know, the JK got the same, pretty much the same exhaust system as the JL. So if you want to get that, definitely go ahead and I'll rev it up a little bit too for you. Bam. I'll rev it for y'all. See, let y'all hear it with a rev in it. For y'all that didn't think I had this, oh, there ain't no JK. Yeah, it is a J. It is a JL. Yeah, like I told you, don't play with me. Let's rev it up a little bit. Like I said, it's not that loud. It's not that loud, so it's nothing to be like, oh, my stuff crazy. You ain't getting no pops and crackle pops and all that. You ain't getting no Hellcat sound, nothing like that. But it's definitely a great exhaust. I definitely do recommend getting it. I would recommend it. It ran me, I'm not for sure. I may have paid $600 for it. I ain't for sure. It's probably cheaper now. It's been about a year and a half. So I definitely recommend getting it. So if you want to get that, go ahead. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, man. I just wanted to do a quick little review because I have a couple people asking me about it on my Instagram. Was it good? Did it work good? Did it sound good? Yes, it sounds good. Works good. Good quality. Great quality. Good quality. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video how I always leave it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend about me. And like I said, it is good quality. Could be great quality if you really want to go under there and keep spraying and take care of it. It's great quality. But me, sometimes I neglect it. Now I got to get under there and fix the parts that I neglected, which will only take me probably about 40 minutes to do. So with that being said, man, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. It's your boy, T-Light. Oh yeah, big shout out to the Werewolf Gang. Much love to the light crew, because you already know how I feel about you. And let's get one last glorious look of the big Jeep Wrangler JL Colosso. I know you like what you see when you see what you seeing, baby. Big shout out to the Werewolf gang, man. I love y'all. That's my Magalini. You know what I got in the garage. That's the Super Sport. Y'all stay up. Y'all keep it funky dunky, man. I'ma holler at y'all a little bit later, because I love y'all, man. And T-Light up out of this piece. You dig? Bop.
Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.